Ever wondered if the secret to a long, healthy life could be hiding in your pantry? Well, there's a fascinating concept known as the longevity diet that might just hold the answer. This isn't your average diet, it's a lifestyle approach that focuses on foods that can promote healthy aging and help prevent disease. It's all about nourishing your body with the right nutrients and embracing a holistic approach to health. But what exactly does this diet entail? What foods form the foundation of the longevity diet? Is it all leafy greens and legumes, or is there more to it? These are questions we'll be exploring throughout this video. So, whether you're a seasoned health enthusiast or just starting your journey to a healthier life, buckle up as we delve deep into the components of the longevity diet. Stay tuned as we uncover the 5 pillars of the longevity diet. The longevity diet rests on 5 pillars. Let's explore each one. These pillars are not just random food groups, but they're the foundation of a lifestyle that could lead to healthier aging and disease prevention. The first pillar is plant-based power. This pillar is all about consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. These plant-based foods are packed with fiber, antioxidants, and phytochemicals, which are all essential nutrients that your body needs to function optimally. They're like the superheroes of the food world, fighting off harmful substances and keeping your cells healthy and vibrant. Next up, we have calorie cycling. This might sound like a fancy term, but it's actually a simple concept. It involves alternating between days of lower and higher calorie intake. This variation can potentially stimulate metabolic benefits and boost cellular repair. Think of it as giving your body a break from the constant digestion process, allowing it to focus on repairing and rejuvenating itself. Our third pillar is the fasting mimicking diet, or FMD for short. This approach involves short periods of mimicking the metabolic state of fasting without the need for complete calorie restriction. The potential benefits of this diet include cell regeneration, reduced inflammation, and improved insulin sensitivity. It's like tricking your body into thinking it's fasting, reaping some of the benefits without the struggle of complete food deprivation. The fourth pillar focuses on good fats. Yes, you heard that right. Not all fats are bad. In fact, some fats are essential for our health. Foods like olive oil, nuts, and avocados are rich in these healthy fats. They play a key role in satiety, hormone balance, and brain health. So, don't shy away from them. Incorporate them into your diet and enjoy their myriad benefits. The final pillar of the longevity diet is moderate protein. This means focusing on high-quality protein sources such as beans, lentils, fish, and poultry. These proteins are essential for muscle repair and maintenance, but remember, the key word here is moderate. Too much of anything, even protein, can tip the balance and lead to health issues. In a nutshell, the longevity diet is about balance and variety. It's about embracing plant-based power, cycling your calories, mimicking fasting, choosing good fats, and consuming moderate protein. Each of these pillars plays a unique and vital role in promoting health and longevity. So the next time you're planning your meals, remember these 5 pillars. Include a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. Cycle your calorie intake. Try out the fasting mimicking diet. Incorporate good fats and balance it all out with moderate protein. Your body will thank you for it. Understanding these pillars forms the foundation of the longevity diet. But remember, everyone is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. So, always listen to your body and adjust your diet to suit your individual needs and health goals. After all, the journey to longevity is all about nourishing your body in the best way possible. Now, let's delve deeper into the fasting mimicking diet, a key pillar of the longevity diet. Have you ever wondered if you could reap the benefits of fasting without actually starving yourself? That's where the fasting mimicking diet, or FMD, comes in. It's a fascinating concept that tricks your body into thinking it's fasting while you're still getting some nourishment. Imagine going on a 5-day journey where your body goes through a transformation. These are not 5 days of complete starvation, but rather a carefully designed meal plan that provides minimal calories and maximum nutrients. The idea here is to mimic the metabolic state of fasting to kickstart your body's natural healing processes. So, what does this look like in practice? Well, for 5 days, you might consume a diet rich in healthy fats, with a smattering of protein and a minimal amount of carbohydrates. This could include foods like nuts and olives, plant-based soups, and even some dark chocolate for a touch of sweetness. But why would you want to do this? The potential benefits of the FMD are quite compelling. They range from cell regeneration to reduced inflammation and improved insulin sensitivity. By placing your body in a state of perceived fasting, you're essentially prompting it to clean house, get rid of any damaged cells, and regenerate new ones. It's like hitting the reset button on your body's biological functions, giving it a chance to rejuvenate and restore itself. And the best part? It's not a permanent lifestyle change, but a periodic practice that can be incorporated into your regular eating routine. But remember, while the fasting mimicking diet is a powerful tool, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Everyone is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before making any drastic changes to your diet. FMD is a unique aspect of the longevity diet, offering potential benefits like cell regeneration and improved insulin sensitivity. It's an exciting frontier in the world of nutrition and longevity, and we're just beginning to scratch the surface of its potential. Let's now turn our attention to good fats and moderate protein, two crucial components of the longevity diet. When we talk about good fats, we're referring to unsaturated fats, which are a vital part of a balanced diet. These fats, found in foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are different from the saturated fats found in fried foods and baked goods, which can negatively impact your health. Good fats are essential for brain health, hormone balance, and overall wellness. They also help you feel satiated, preventing overeating and helping to maintain a healthy weight. Imagine a salad drizzled with olive oil, sprinkled with seeds and nuts, and maybe topped with a few slices of ripe avocado. Not only is it a feast for the eyes, but it's also a powerhouse of good fats, providing your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Now let's discuss protein. Protein is like the building block of your body. It's involved in everything from muscle repair to immune function. The longevity diet emphasizes moderate protein intake, focusing on high-quality sources like beans, lentils, fish, and poultry. Picture a plate filled with grilled fish, a side of lentils, and a heap of colorful vegetables. This is a great example of a balanced meal with a moderate protein portion. It's not about loading up on protein, but rather ensuring you're getting just the right amount for your body to perform its necessary functions. It's important to remember that the longevity diet is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about understanding the benefits of these key components, good fats and moderate protein, and incorporating them into your meals in a way that suits your lifestyle and dietary needs. So, the next time you're planning a meal, think about how you can add some healthy fats and quality protein. Maybe swap out that bag of chips for a handful of nuts, or opt for a piece of grilled chicken instead of a burger. Little changes can have a big impact. Good fats and moderate protein intake play crucial roles in maintaining balance and promoting health in the longevity diet. Now that we've explored the 5 pillars of the longevity diet, let's recap and look at the next steps. Remember, this diet is about more than just what you eat. It's a lifestyle that emphasizes plant-based power, calorie cycling, fasting mimicking diets, the importance of good fats, and moderate protein intake. The key is to fill your plate with a rainbow of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Vary your caloric intake to challenge your metabolism, and consider periods of fasting mimicking diets for cellular regeneration. Choose good fats like those found in olive oil, nuts, and avocados for hormone balance and brain health. And don't forget about protein, it's crucial for muscle repair and maintenance. As you embark on this journey, remember to tailor the diet to your individual needs and preferences. Research, ask questions, and seek advice from professionals to ensure you're getting the most out of your meals. Remember, embracing the longevity diet is all about promoting longevity and living a vibrant, healthy life. Thank you for watching, and feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.